Cassava roots arrive from global suppliers, ready to start their transformation.
Every root is inspected to ensure consistency and purity.
The journey into the heart of the factory begins. Sorting removes damaged roots before cleaning.
Rotating drums wash away dirt and impurities. High-pressure rinses guarantee spotless roots.
High-pressure rinses guarantee spotless roots.
Clean roots glide toward peeling machines.
Peeling machines remove outer layers precisely.
Peels are collected for byproducts, emphasizing efficient use. Final checks ensure only the best roots move forward. Precision blades cut roots into uniform pieces.
Each piece moves consistently to the next stage. This enter the grating chamber for transformation.
High-speed grating transforms solid roots into pulp. High-speed grating transforms solid roots into pulp.
The first stage of flower formation begins.
Even spreading ensures uniform drying. Dryers remove excess moisture, shaping the final flower. The transformation from wet pulp to dry granules is evident. Every stage is carefully monitored for consistency. Milling reduces the dried material into coarse flour. Gradual breakdown produces uniform powder.
Secondary milling ensures perfect texture. Pure cassava flour emerges in a steady stream.
Sieves remove large particles for consistent texture.
Each grain is inspected for uniformity.
Lab checks confirm safety and quality. Moisture levels are carefully measured.
Color and quality are verified before packaging.
Approved flour flows toward the packaging line.
Large silos hold bulk flour for controlled use.
Flour moves internally, creating soft clouds of dust. Bagging machines prepare the product for shipment.
Each bag receives the exact required weight. Calibration guarantees perfect precision.
Sealed bags maintain freshness and quality. Sealed bags maintain freshness and quality. Branding adds identity and traceability.
Finished flour bags are ready for inspection.
Finished flour bags are ready for inspection.
Random checks verify batch consistency.
Automation maintains efficiency.
Pallets are formed for transport. Wrapping secures cargo for delivery.
Finished goods wait in climate-controlled storage.
Systems track stock levels in real time. Pallets are staged for outbound trucks. Heavy-duty trucks prepare for nationwide delivery. The journey from factory to kitchens begins.
Cassava flour enters bakeries and homes.
Flour transforms into bread and pastries.
Versatility spans sweet and savory creations.
Gluten-free flour meets modern dietary needs. Operations are monitored for efficiency.
Automation keeps production precise.
A seamless, synchronized process at scale.
Cleanliness ensures product safety.
A dramatic transformation from raw tuber to fine flour. Cutting-edge tech enhances quality.
Consistency maintained across every batch.
A modern facility meeting high demand. A modern facility meeting high demand.
Every batch passes rigorous quality control.
Millions of pounds of flour ready for distribution.
From root to powder, the change is striking. Perfectly milled grains demonstrate meticulous craftsmanship.
Finished products ready for customers.
Options tailored for industry and home cooks.
The journey completes in kitchens worldwide. Certified and trusted by professionals. A rhythm of precision and efficiency.
Even automation meets human care.
Ready to reach retailers and consumers.
Flour travels across the country, reaching every market. Precision engineering at every step.
a final reminder of the transformation achieved. Hours of continuous production ensure reliability.
At day's end, the facility rests.
Cassava flour, ready to inspire culinary creations.
From raw tuber to premium flour, Himalayiru. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes processes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more behind-the-scenes production videos.